here's a quick video on the issue. So my issue is this Aero will not charge up to 120 volts, beyond 120 volts. So it just hovers around 119, 120, and it's been like that for a few days now. The right side battery pack is being detected by the BMS, the left is not. So my concern is that if I'm charging, since the BMS is not detecting the left pack, I'm hoping that it charges equally. So I will be taking this apart, right, and using a multimeter and determining if all the 4 battery packs are equal voltage. So that's what I'm doing. I got my multimeter. Here's my configuration. Set it to 200. Thank you, Roger. EUC. Plugged it in to the battery connector, which is this one. And negative. It's at 109.3 on the left side, which is the one that's not being detected by the BMS. The other side, same thing. Let's see what it is. 109.3. So they're consistent, holding the same voltage, even though this is not reporting, and I'm only able to charge up to 119 volts. Also, the BMS connector, which on the control board is actually on the negative line, so you can see that little additional wire. So I'm gonna trace it back to the control board and see if it's properly plugged in. All right, so here is a little wire. It's the contact point is here, this one right here. So I don't know how to test for that. That's the left side, which is not working. The right side, the contact point is right there. I don't want to jiggle this thing too much because the negative might go loose. All right, here's the 119. It will only charge up to. That's it.